So you want to know how to make your own main menu screen. Whenever you click the play button, it goes straight back to the character and then are able to play the game. Stay to the end of this video and you can achieve just that. Now, to get started, go ahead and go to your Explorer panel and then scroll down to start the GUI. From here, insert your screen GUI and then insert a text button inside of it. Next, you want to go ahead and position the text button anywhere on screen. We're going to position it in the middle and then insert a local script inside of that. Now open up your local script and then we're going to go straight into scripting. Alright, now that we're inside the script, go ahead and delete the first line of code. Now we're going to get the variables that we need for the script. So first, we're going to get the player. It's local player equals game, get service, players. Now we're going to get the camera. Local camera equals workspace.current camera. Lastly, we're going to get the button. So local button equals script.parent. Now we're going to run a function whenever the button is clicked upon. So mouse button 1 up, connect function. So this function will run every time the button is clicked upon. So we're going to do repeat wait loop. So repeat task.wait until. Here we're going to go inside the repeat task.wait loop and do camera type equals enum dot camera type dot custom. Now right next to the until, we're going to do the same thing. So copy that line and paste it. But instead of doing a 1 equal sign, we're going to do 2 equal signs, making it check if that camera is back into custom, bringing it back to the character. Lastly, we're going to make the button invisible so the player can't see it no more. So button.visible equals false. Now just to play test it, when we run the game, you click the button and the button will disappear. Now for the camera. Going back to the Explorer tab, we're going to go down to start a player and insert a local script. From here, we're going to delete the same first line of code and get the camera. So local camera equals workspace.current camera. Now we're going to do repeat loop. So repeat task.wait task.wait until, and inside of it we can do camera type equals enum.camera type scriptable. Again, copy that line of code and put it right next to until, and then put 2 equal signs in between it. Now for the best part. Go ahead and insert a part inside workspace. So go to the home tab on the top, click part, and place it anywhere you want on your map. Once you're done adjusting your part camera wherever you want on your map, be sure to go inside of it, the properties panel, and make transparency to 1. Scroll down, make can collide false, and anchor true. And if you want, you can also rename the part. In this case, we're going to name this part into camera part. And then we're going to hop back into the script. Now, at the bottom of the script, I'm going to go down and make a new line of code. So we're going to get that same part inside workspace. So local camera part equals workspace, wait for child, camera part. Now we're going to do camera.cframe equals camera part.cframe. Great. Now when you go ahead, one more thing. Go to your button and change the text to play or whatever you want. But in this case, we're going to make it play and text scale enabled, so it's easier to read. Now when we click play, you'll see that our camera will go straight to the part. Then when we click play, it goes back to our character. Now that we're done making our main menu, let's go back, making it better than it is now by making it more appealing to the average viewer. With that being said, let's cue the time lapse. Great, now you know how to make your own main menu GUI whenever the player joins the game. If you like watching this video, go ahead and comment down below what you'd like to see next, and hit the like and subscribe button while you're at it. Until then, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.